Hello everyone. So this is a video regarding how we can host our own local LLM over some instance that is created on others GPU. Like you can see here, there are listed GPU like 5090 and 4090. So so this is a platform where you can rent a GPU and you can use them to deploy a local LLM. Well, I always wanted to deploy a local LLM and use it, but using it on my computer, I was a bit skeptical about it because first I didn't know how to do it, and the second is I I feared that it might overload my system. So that is why I was exploring other options to check if I can deploy it on some cloud instances. So I checked for Google Cloud. I checked for AWS, but they were all expensive. As I wanted to, the first deployment, what I wanted to do was a video LLM, video generation LLM. So yeah, so this is what this video is going to be. What I'm going to do now is I will walk you through the steps which is required to uh, deploy a local video generation LLM, and this is a platform, the VAST.AI, which needs credits. So I recharged it with $5 earlier, and I used it around 3.16 dollars, and now I'm using it to show you. So first, what we need to do is first we need to uh, pick any GPU that we need as per our requirement. So we'll for video generation we are using WAN 2.2. Uh, Let me show you WAN 2.2. Yeah, so this is WAN 2.2. This is a free open source large scale video generation generative model. Yeah, so this is a video generation model, just like what we see in VO. So yeah, so so first we need to select a GPU which requires a 32 GB VRAM, 30 to 31 GB VRAM it requires, and we also need to select storage. So 64 or 80 GB will be enough. Yeah, 80 GB, 80 GB will be enough, and 5090. Yeah. This one will be good. I think it's a 3.397 per hour. Dollar 397.96. Sorry, dollar 0.396 per hour. So if we are trying to if we try to rent it, but first we need to change the template because we will be using Comfy UI template. So yeah, we selected that Comfy UI template. Well, why we are using Comfy UI? Because it provides a GUI to deploy WAN 2.2. So let's rent it. 50. Yeah, this was right. 0.361, or we can use 396 0.396. I need to check 396. Mm, First, we need to look for the bandwidth. So 396. We can also use this. It has a 48 GB VRAM. Okay, let's use this 396. So let's go to rent requesting. Okay, so our instance is created. It is creating the instance. Let's wait till our instance is been created. This shouldn't take long. Well, it might take. Oh, it is connecting. Okay. So now, if we click on the open button, will be transferred to a server which will have a UI for Comfy UI and Jupyter Notebook. So yeah, so here you can see this is a Comfy UI launch button. There's a Jupyter launch button. There's a Jupyter Terminal launch button. So we will be going for Comfy UI launch button, and this here you can see how much GPU is being used, how much memory is being used, how much disk is being used. So let's go to launch application. It is loading. We can come back to instance portal and check it. And here you can see all the logs. It's still loading. Okay, so this is how the first UI will look like. We will be needing a video. Okay, and there you can see band 2.2 14 billion text to video. This we need to select, and we'll be needing this. But there is an issue. If we try to download it from here, then it will download in our system. So we don't need that. What we'll be doing, let me tell you what we'll be doing. So here you can see the manager. Go to model manager. Okay, and all the things that we'll be needing, we need to download it from here. So let's go back. First, what we need, go, yeah, so this we'll be needing WAN 2.2 TV high noise 14B FP8. WAN 2.2, yeah, this one. Uh, a high noise and a low noise. This was it, right? FP scaled, FP8 scaled safe tensors. I think we can what we can do is we can launch one more instance or one more application. Then we can make, yeah. So there it is. Let's copy the URL and paste it here. Copy URL, paste it here. There's no option to paste back. Manager. Okay, have to work with this text UT5 XXL FP8 UT5 XXL. Yeah, now now we can get, yeah, now we can install it. It's a 14 GB, 14.3 GB. Let's go back. Let's grab another one. Those the things that we're installing, we can see here. If you want to so nice. Still going. So let's go for iOS now. What are you? Now we need to download the high noise one. Uh, Model manager, basis, and click on install. Okay, so we need to wait until this completes. So these are the bigger ones, and this will take some time. Like it is taking about to 14.3. Yeah, it's done now. So we can go for the second model, which is high noise install. It's also 14.3. Okay, let's check if we are doing it right. Yeah. Okay. Now the next one will be this VAE, the video encoder. Input manager, model manager. This, yeah, this one. Okay, let's wait till it's complete. Okay, so it's 8 GB now, 6 GB more to download. Bitcoin history. It's on 13 GB more to go. Refresh required. It's also completed. Let's go back. Let's close this. So we need a text encoder. So this is the text encoder that we want. Manager, let's go to model manager. Plus V. It's on the 6.74 GB. So if you go to instance portal again, you can see the memory is filled about 36 GB, 37, and this space is 36, 38. We needing 2 GB more. Now, so this is done. Let's download this one, which is a video encoder. We have downloaded a video encoder. We have downloaded a text encoder. Now we'll need to set up this. Just let's refresh it. No definition updated. Let's go to back. Let's go back. Let's close this. What we can do now is we can close this. Let's close this and refresh it. Okay. So now here, you will be seeing that these are missing. We downloaded it, but this shows missing. But what we need to do is we need to go here and the path is changed. It's diffusion models went 2.2, then the high noise. Yeah, so here we will be choosing high noise, and here we'll be choosing low noise. So now there shouldn't be any problem. Let's test this. Let's reduce the width. Let's move it to 480, and the height. Let's move it to 360. That will do the work. This is the video length. This is the batch size. How many you want to generate in one go. Okay. So this will work as same as VO3, and there you have a limitation of 8 second or 7 second video, but here this is a local, so you can generate uh, in as many seconds as you want, 20 seconds, 30 seconds video, but it will take more time. Rendering a lower time length video will take less time, or uh, generating a higher time, let's say 30 seconds or 40 seconds video will take more time to generate. So all set here. Let's keep everything to default, and we need to run it from here. Let's run it, and so this is the GPU. You can see now it's all red. And if you go to the VAST.AI, I had 2.6 to 2.84 rate. Now it's new to 2.84, and it's been 15 minutes. So yeah, so it is generating the video. Let's wait till it's generated. You the most important thing, the prompt that you need to generate the video, that will go here. You can see here it is written like a close up of young woman smiling in the rain, raindrops glistening on her face and eyelashes. The video captures the delicate details of her expression and the water droplet, soft light reflecting off her skin in rain atmosphere. So the high noise model that completed the it completed the process. Now it is turned for the low noise model to run. It's 50% done. 80%, 90%, 100%. Now it goes to video encoder, and here you'll see the output, and you can see the resolution of this video. So you can also add your own prompts here. Let's increase the length. Let's make it. mm, Yeah, let's make it 200. Let's run it again. Now this will take more time. Okay, so allocation of device error means we are not memory on the GPU. Workflow work before you might have set the batch size to larger number. Yeah. So thank you for watching this video, and I could have uh, deployed it on AWS or Google Cloud, but it would take more money, maybe uh, ranging from $12 to $98 if I run it on ranging from if I run it on instance or any uh, ML specific infrastructure like Bedrock or SageMaker. Yeah. So thank you for watching this video, and I'm concluding it here. Thanks.